Back with another video today where we will be doing a little air intake install on my truck, and it's an nnbs, but we will be doing a little customization to that pipe and the little, I guess, box you can call. It's not really a box though. Guys, we'll see. This is the box or separation. It's not really a box. So that was the color of the pipe, but I forgot to record before I started spraying. This is the color that it came with. It's just, you know, metal. I guess they sprayed black on it. Not really sure. Just go ahead and give it a little scent to this. Prepare for paint. We'll be shooting it with this same color. See if you guys can see. It's like a silver with a little bit of flakes on it. Excuse the noise. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing first. Going to spray this color, and then once it fully dries out, I will be putting tape on, I don't know, sort of designs, and I'm going to color match this pipe and that box to the color of the truck. Once it fully dries, I'll do designs with tape. That way this color will be the designs and the rest of it will be OEM color, just color matched. That's about it. So we got it all scuffed up, sanded, it's all scuffed. Now it's time to just give it a wipe with some grease and wax remover. Prepare to spray it with that same color right here. It's like a silver, I guess, just with little flakes. Not too fancy, just a little color that will pop out with the original color. I will show you the OEM color for the truck, the one that we're color matching it with. That way you guys can get an idea beforehand. And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this out and get back to you guys. Yeah, and just wipe down. Just gave it a little scuff with this. It's already comes. It's not really painted. It's just, you know, primed, I guess, black metal. I was gonna take it apart, but don't really feel like I should. I don't really feel like I have to, you know. I don't really care about this. The box will show, basically, if you're looking into the engine bay, it would be like this, so you're not really gonna tell. This part I'm just gonna spray black on it, you know. It's gonna get dirty and all that stuff. This is the color that we went with, just the out-of-zone spray can. So silver gray, custom color. So silver gray with little sparkles, I guess, or, you know, you can't really even see them. Just makes it shine. It's supposed to be like multicolor or whatever. Can't really see it. It's just more like silver gray. But just have a little bit of left. I have done other things with this, so just finding what other colors I have. You know, I had this. It was either this silver gray or, you know, satin black. You're not really gonna tell with that color that I have on the truck. You won't really be able to tell the difference. And either gold, but not really. It would be like a little too much. Went with this little silver gray I had left over. So this is what it's already dried out. We have little 1/8 of an inch tape and 1/4 of an inch. Got these from Lemon Lime whenever I did my tailgate, so I could do those little pinstripe designs that I did with the candy paint. I will show you probably somewhere in this video how that tailgate turned out. Get you guys an idea. I believe I had it at the ending of the last video. But I'll get y'all a little close-up or a video whenever I had sprayed that. I'll pull it up somewhere. we'll go ahead and throw some designs on this, see what we come out with. So this is what I have so far. I don't know, I just threw the designs in. I mean, I'm gonna take these off. I just used them for spacing reference. This is a 1 inch, I believe. I just used this tape. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what size it actually is. But it's about an inch. So just gave it basically 2 inches. I used the 2 of the quarter ones, so it's basically a 1/2 inch right here. Not really, but you know. I think these are a little bit, but anyways, I used the quarter inch right here, and then now that I'm looking at it, I gotta add another one right in the middle for that crack, so the paint doesn't really go through there. Just as I added it over here. Over here I used a 1/4 and an 1/8, and then I just added one over it. Kind of did flames, somewhat look alike, just a little design. I ended up doing little teeth or triangles there. Not really gonna be able to see them, just look like a random design. But once I end up taking off the rest of the tape and clean up the area, you guys will go ahead and see what it looks like. So I ended up doing a little like face, I guess you could say, with little bands on the sides, just to outline the whole face, little teeth. The only thing that will stay silver is what's under the tape. We'll go ahead and leave this here. Now we gotta put some things on there, probably, I don't know, maybe put a star or something. I don't even know. I might just spray original color and just leave this with the design so it's not too much. So we'll see what we end up doing. So this is the color that we're going with. Color match it with my truck. Just gotta shake it up a little good. Give y'all that good metallic colors. This is the clear coat that we'll go with. It's the one that I have. I usually shoot with anything, to be honest. We're doing medium hardener with that medium reducer. It's good temperatures right now, so it looks like a dark. It's called dark mint blue. That's the actual color of for the truck. That's what we're shooting with. We ended up going and spraying this just straight matte black. You know, that satin black. That way it's not that I felt like it was gonna be too much doing designs on it as well. We have this ready to spray on there. Got that on here. Got it on my spray gun holder. Just have it set there. Going to mix that paint right now. Ready to shoot. So there you go, guys. We got this done. That was flashed off. This one is as well. This is the design, how it turned out. I just did random design on it. Nothing too special. I have it upside down right now, actually. Let me actually grab it so you guys can actually see. I'll switch arms on this. Looks like a face, kind of. A little smiling face. Big old teeth. Yeah, I mean, I did have a little Passover on tape. Not gonna be able to tell. Whenever I was taking the tape off with the razor blade, I kind of scratched it off. I don't really care. I mean, it's air intake. Probably end up messing up anyways. There you go, guys. Shoot some clear coat. So we got the boxes taken off. It's the original box. The intake itself. Now to install the intake. Get back with you once it's installed. There you go, guys. It's a turnout. I added a little breather filter here, little breather tube for the crank. I believe it's called PCV or something like that. But it's the turnout right here.
Hey y'all, come look at this.